Hello, children. I hope all of you are completed the school, and so many of you already started studying, and simultaneously you are watching the ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. So I don't know how many of you are attending Ravada, because there are most of students, they are not watching my videos. So I'm just thinking like it's very less people are applied for Ravada. No problem. So how many of you applied also, no issues. What I will do is I'll keep on doing every day whatever we discussed. If at least 10-20 people also get through in Navodaya, whatever my effort is going to be like helpful. So that's what I'm just thinking. Yesterday I was trying to explain you in the last video, but I could not done that. The reason is very simple. There was some power issue in the area, so that's why I could not able to continue this. Okay, we'll see today question paper 2010. Question number is 54. It's Navodaya, which belongs to 2023. Fine. So here there will be a percentage of 6.25, and you have to convert to decimals. This into decimals. So there are many people will be having a lot of confusion how we can do it from percentage, or it's very less number, again 6.25% to decimals, because percent is nothing but a what? It's 100, right? So all of you are aware of this. Percent is nothing but 100, and we have here less than 100, and we are getting the answer all 0.00. Here only 6.25 is there, and here 6.025 is there, but these two are decimals. Once you plan on just thinking about the percentage or the common number from to the decimal, it comes very less only, because what we do is this is going to be divided by the 100. You got the point, no? Because he is asking the question itself the same thing, which of the following is equal to 6.25%. That means 6.25% is belongs to which option? A, C, B, sorry, D, C, B, A, whichever you have to find out. So I'll just explain you very simple tricks. So that tricks you have to apply for all the questions, whichever questions will come similarly. So don't get confused. So I'll just make you to understand having the full number of 100, where how you can divide with the 6.25, or any decimal comes with the single digit, and remaining will be the any number of digit will be comes. Okay, just I'll give you a few ideas, you follow it, and later I'll come back to this side. 6.25% is nothing but a 100. Okay, so if you have to start dividing, so here is 6 and there is a 100. It's very difficult you to do it, and you are unable to understand how to do. So for that I have a simple logic. The simple logic is there, that I will tell you how to do it. Please, as I told you, you follow the same instruction and same idea with all the questions whichever comes related to this. Okay, let's understand. This dot I will remove it to this side. That means I will make it other side. So what is the my number now? 0.1 number is gone, because after point there are two numbers is there. Okay, so 0 point means I removed this, again 0, I removed this. So my answer is now 0.0. Okay, so whatever you starts dividing from 100 for 625, I'll make it 625 divided by 100, because we have removed the zeros. So 600 is comes again, 625 is comes now, then again 100 6 ja 100 2 ja, 100 5 ja. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just give you one more option. What you have done is the option 1 is the method 1. What you have done 6.25. We made it removing this 2 dot. That means after dot there are two numbers. This removing dot to from to the last, we made it 625 divided by 100. That means removing is nothing but we have to keep it this. Okay, that I will show you in the division in different method. The same division method what we do or what we have learned in the previous class, that we will do it. Here if you start the dividing 100 6 ja 600, again here you no need to put that 0 because dot is there, above dot whatever 0 comes there is no value for that. Okay, it's very least value it comes. So again 2 is there, we'll put it 2, we'll put it 5. So this is very simple method. Anything comes dot, you put it 0 dot 0. Okay, there are two numbers is 1, then it came 165 by 100. This is the answer. Here also the same answer. We'll try in another way. Okay, 6.25 100 here. So this is our old method, what we have learned from the beginning to till date. This we have done with our expertise, what we know the knowledge and what we have done, and we know some method and easy tricks where we can save the time in our examination. For that reason we have done this, right? So the second method I have showed you. The first method is this, the second method is this, as I told you, and this is the final method or first method what we already learned as a traditional. Okay, so as I told you, we have to remove here 0, 1 is over. To remove this, I'll put 0. Now it's a 625. Now it's round number, I got it, it's already, which I got dot 6.0.0. Okay, 100 6 ja 600. It's again 25 came. Already dot is there, so no need to put again one more dot because there is no value for that. Again 250, 100, 2 ja 200, and because here 300 is not there. Okay, so 5 0 0. Again we can put one more 0. 100, 5 ja 500. So which option is matches for this? Answer is answer B. Got it? So I'll repeat once again. If any questions comes like this, you do it slowly because we are not in hurry. We have still 2.5 to 3 months time. Okay. If you learn one question one day, then 90 question you will learn in 90 days. In that, if you get at least 45-50 questions in this, anyways you will get 25 questions only. If you get all questions, then you will be answering all 25 questions, and you will be having a 25 marks in your pocket. Okay, so that means you should be a perfect. Then you no need to worry because this is a very major task in the Navodaya. Mental ability, as I told you, it's a picture related to things will be there. I'll tell you how to match it, how to analyze it, each and everything. Okay, so this is how to have ideas. You can make it directly putting the dots here. From dots you can just cancel it 0 point, you can put one 0 and again 0 625 because we have a 625, or else you can make this. If you are unable to do that, you can go with the traditional method what you have learned in your first standard to till now, whatever study, whatever, maybe 6 5 standard 4 standard whatever you learned. If you are a 9th standard also, you can adapt this, and definitely it will be helpful for you in the 10th, that is a SLC examination. Okay, so we'll go with next question. I'll explain you again different method. The question number now we'll go with 55. The question 55 says the perimeter. The perimeter of a square is 144 meter. Okay, I'll make it bigger. 144 meter. Its area is. I'll write the option first. Later we'll go with the solutions, because without option you cannot find out or you cannot guess. Okay, rather than guessing, just we'll solve it one by one with the proper method. Let's the option A is 1712 meter square and option B is 1726. Option C is 1296 meter square. Option D is 1728 meter square. Okay, so we are clear about the options. Now we should understand how the question will matching or related with the options. That is very important to understand now. Okay, so I'll just explain you once again. The perimeter of a square is 144 meter. Clear? I think it's meter only. It's meter. Its area is. Now we have to find out the area. Why I have written a square is because he is asking square. That means double. That will make it as a double now. Okay. So each perimeter will be having a how much sides? 4. 4 and 4 is equal to 16. Clear? So there are 16 sides will be there in the both perimeter. So what he is saying, 144 meter the square. That means what we'll do is multiply. We'll do it 144 multiply by 144. 4 4 is 16. 1 4 4 is 16. 1 17. 4 1 is 4 1 5. Okay. 4 4 is 16. 1 4 4 is again 16 plus 1 17. 4 1 is 4. Yes, 17. 1 is there. 5. Okay. The similarly here we have again 4. Then no need to calculate. We can put it as it is. This. Again I'll make it cross here, and we have a 1. We no need to again do the multiplication. We can write it straight away. This 6 7 is 13. 1 here 7 10 11 12 17. 17 1 5 5 10 0 2. Now it's a 20,736 meter square. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. We have taken 4 into 4 because it's a square of this. That means this we are taking 2 times. 4 into 4 is 16 because we have a 16 sides. Okay, so multiplying these two, how much we received? 20,736 meter square. Now what will be the next plan? See, we have multiplied this. What we got? 16 we got. Right. We multiplied this both. How much we got? 20,736 we got. Now we have to go with the division. The division forms, what we can do is we can write it 20,736 16. Okay. So if you know the 16 table, that will be great. If you don't know 16 table, then it will be difficult. Okay. 16 1 ja 16, cancel 1, 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. So I am doing this in traditional method which you already learned. I am not going with the new method because it's a big number. You may be getting confused. Clear? So 4 is there, again I will go with next 7. So 14, 16 3 ja, it won't go. Correct? It's a 48. We have a 47 here. Then 16 2 ja will go. 16 2 ja is a 32. Again 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Here nothing is there. Okay? Fine. So I will just take it this down. 3. So 160 is there. If you multiply with the 10, it comes 160. Correct. So I don't want to by heart your table. Again 61 is 16 2 is 16 3 is, no need to do that. You just compare this. 116 is there. 16 10 is 160. That means it's not 160. 153 is there. Then we can go with before number. That means that is a 9. Okay. So if you feel 9, 16 9 or 16 table is very difficult, then I will tell you one more simple method. You know very well 9 table. Okay, you can do it from 9 6 jar. Okay, 9 6 jar is a 54. 5 9 1 jar 9 plus 5 is 14. So it won't go, then it's a 4. Here 13 minus 4 is 9. Correct. So here 13 is there, 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 4 is there, 4 minus 4 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you have 6 here. We can take it as a 6. So let's calculate 5. 5 comes, the last number is 0, then it won't go. Then we will go with 6. 6 6 ja 36, 3. 6 1 ja 6 plus 3 is 9. So there is no remainder. That means it's a successfully divided what we have done means. Okay, I'll explain you once again. 4 into 4 why we have taken means it's a square of parameter of a square is 144. That means we have taken square. Okay, that means 4 into 4, that is a 16. The square is come 16 and 144 square is came 20,736. Now what we are doing? We are dividing with the both answer. The answer is 16 which is belongs to this, 20,736 which is belongs to this. Okay, when you start doing the divide with the same traditional method. We are not using any new ideas and no tricks here because it's a big number. You may get confused. That's what I told you. And if you go divide this, then you will be getting a remainder is 0. So now we have to find out, do we have option 1296 in this? 1296. The option C is the correct answer. Got it? This is how you have to plan it. That's why I am telling you, don't do hurry. Always be calm, have a concentrate, and your mindset and your eyes, your body, everything should be concentration should have on the your notebook or your Anubhava Sara what you are going to watch. That way how you will be sitting in the cinema theater, forgetting everything, and you will be having only concentration on the white screen, which is movie you are seeing or watching. Okay, so the same way you can do it this, then definitely you will understand. That's why I'm explaining you with very clearly. And as I told you, make a 200-page notebook, because I'm reminding you each and every time. Some kids or children, they will forget. Many times they says, "No sir, I went there. It was not there. My father was there. My money was not there, and the books was out of stock." Don't tell me all the reasons, because it's your career, your life. Okay, if you learn this, then definitely it will be helpful for you in a future also. That's why I expect you to make a note down each and everything, and don't forget to watch Anubhava Sara. Till that, keep watching my Anubhava Sara YouTube channel. I'll catch you in next video. Till that, bye.